What's up, TNS family? Welcome back to our channel. It's your fave girl, Sera.
It's your boy Tuxx.
Uncle Baba.
He said, Uncle Baba. Boom. Boom. Okay, family, so we're making our way up to Southside, like southeast Melbourne, to go to Gumbuya World. It's going to be our first time to this place. I think it's got like all sorts of stuff, kind of like fun fields, like dry rides, wet water rides, and all sorts of stuff. So yeah, pretty excited. We've got the family down. Chris and Jay came down, and yeah, we're just waiting for Julian Pote to come, and then we're gonna make our way up. It's like an hour, I think an hour and a bit from outside of Melbourne. So yeah,
we wanted to wish you guys a Merry Christmas. I hope you guys had a blessed and safe Christmas. For Christmas, we actually didn't do like anything big for our little family. We spent breakfast with my side of the family. For Tari's side, we went to Nana Boss's house. So yeah, fam, let's get into this vlog.
Yeah, you're right, eh? I just turned it on now. So, hold on, baby. Come on, we're gonna wait. We're on the train. Yes? Yeah, train. Choo choo.
Green. Guys? How many of you guys are there?
Us.
5 of you. What color would you like? There's green, pink, or green. I'll come through, guys.
Okay, green.
Take a seat.
Oh, take a seat, my boy. So you move over this way. You move over that way. It's okay. Good. Cozy. It's okay, Cozy. That's all right, my boy.
We're going to do a lap around the ride park today, and then when we return back in the station, make sure you stay seated and I'll close up your carriage.
Just kidding. Just hurry up. Just hurry up. Hey, just hurry up. Hey.
Why are you doing puppy?
Oh, beep beep. Oh, we're going to Cozy. He's unsure. Gee, do you have your video on 4K? I think so. Bro, but mad memory though. Yeah, I know. Like, you're gonna have to download my Go tour. Lenny. Say mommy, family. Alright, we'll see you guys next time, man. Take care. We'll see you guys next time. Alright, love you. Enjoy. Goodbye, family. We out. Let's do it. Go Cozy!
These cars.
Whoa, that's cool. That's cool, Lanston, yeah.
These cars.
They're so old, eh? Keep driving, Cozy! So look. Look here. Look, Alright guys, so the kids, the little kids to be exact, having their little playtime here. While the big kids, they jump on the bumper cars. So yeah, this should keep them occupied for the time being. So yeah, this playground, Potsy and I were telling the boys this is the one place you're going to stay away from. We've got plenty of playgrounds in the area. Turned out to be quite useful while the big kids, while the adults jump on the bumper cars in there. So yeah.
Okay guys, we're all on. We got the fam on and we're all going for Lanston. Show us the goods. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Alright fam, so we're just about to go for a swim. Got the kids ready. Got ourselves ready. Peacock in the background. Then I see my shoulders right. So yeah fam, unfortunately we haven't got the GoPro so we can't get any water footage, but yeah, see you guys soon. Alright fam, that's pretty much it for today at Gumbuya World. It was, bro, it's actually so good man, considering that we're here in Melbourne. It's like high.
I honestly, guys, I thought that at like a split second of being in the lazy river, I honestly thought I was in Bali. Like, that's how good it was. It kind of gave me like I'm not in Australia vibes.
I was getting Bali vibes too.
Yeah. That was so good. Really enjoyed myself. 10 out of 10. Recommend Gumbuya. Use our discount code.
Please, because they've been hassling us so much, guys.
Gumbuya is sponsoring too.
Oh.
Welcome to Gumbuya, guys. And also our beautiful boy, he's gone. That's how good it was. He didn't want a nap. And this is what happens. So
Coco. Explain Coco.
yeah, Coco was crying a little bit, this, that, and then he just gone. So he had
While
a nice
we were
little
swimming.
Nap. Yeah. While everyone was swimming, so he had a nice little nap. But this guy was enjoying it too much. I'm actually quite shattered that we don't have the GoPro because it would have been good to see tour on the rides and stuff with Sera and that.
4 hours later.
Okay guys, we're here at the movies. It's currently the next day. What happened?
Hey!
Can you tell them what happened?
We're here at the movies right now. Just a bit of a family time out together. So yeah, can't wait to. What are we watching?
Mufasa.
Mufasa. No, it's come baby. Stay inside here.
So we didn't get to finish the vlog yesterday, so we're just going to continue the vlog on today. Today we went for a little dive when we got some abalone and kina, and we all went. Roll the clip. And then we decided we'll come to the movies because Chris leaves tomorrow. Her and Jay leave tomorrow, so we thought, oh, we'll come in and do a movie night with everyone. We're waiting for Julie and
they wanted to come by themselves.
No. We're waiting for Julie and her little family to get here, and then we're gonna go in. But we're trying to get all of our popcorn. Shout out to Taru's job. The $300 vouchers. We're using them.
And I go tell and say, you be waka waka baby, you be chuku chuku baby, baby Sauaoeleele, Sauaoeleele. See, you do like you know like but you like she na me be number one lover right now. So give me that number, make her write down. Oh God, the way you grind, make her start